Time goes by, it's just a measurement refined to help us decide what mattered most inside. But you are different, you're always in my head. I thought time grows distant, but you get closer as time goes and starts again. Breathe in slow, we don't always have to know it's coming around. Just listen to the sound of the longings they put in perspective what really matters. Every day that time goes and starts again. So hold on, weary heart, you would learn to love again. Wait and just hold strong, let the tension set us apart. A love that's worth waiting is what any man adores. 'Cause when it comes to living, love is worth dying for. In my head, I thought time would grow us distant, but you get closer as time goes and starts again.